Any like advice, words of wisdom for people in the industry who, let's call, aren't working at all and their production floor has actually stopped?
I think, well, I've been doing a bit of this anyway, even though I am still full time. There's so much content out there at the minute. It's a great time to learn new things. It's a great time to look at those objectives, long-term strategies that you want to develop that normally the day job gets in the way of. I don't think you need to just down tools. There's so much you could do to almost to get ahead of the curve. So when we do go back to business as usual, you're geared up to almost go full pout into, where you want to be, where you want to take the team. That's kind of, there's great, while we're all going virtual, LinkedIn is full of webinars. Most evenings there's now webinars and training sessions. It's I'm finding very useful myself, but certainly that people that got a lot of time on their hands, it's you can fill your boots for them all day long.
Yeah, absolutely. Obviously masterminds and maintenance. We've got one resource for all of our listeners.